Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Microsoft Teams for beginners in 2025. So, whether you're a student, teacher, or professional, this video will cover everything you need to know. So, to get started, the first thing that we are going to do here is to download the application or open any of your web browser and then visit the website. Okay, so the Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration platform. It combines chat, video meetings, file sharing, and project management in one place. So, this one is perfect for online classes, remote work, and team projects. So, here to set up your Microsoft Teams, you have to download and install the app. And then you just have to sign in or sign up to your account. Okay, now here, the next thing that we are going to do here is to check our activity. So this is our activity section or the notification. Then here is our chat section. And then we have the teams or the group spaces. So this one right here. And then for the assignments or calendar, classes, and meetings, we have that right here. Okay, and then in the file sections, you'd be able to see here your shared documents. Now, creating and joining a Teams. How you can do that? Just have to simply click on the chat option. Okay, so you just have to go here and then click on this see your team section. That's right. Now to create a team from scratch, you just have to click on this create team option at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then I just have to give your team a name, and then you can also add description right here. And then for the team type, just have to change the privacy right here. And then of course, the name of your channel. After that, you just have to click on the create option. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do here is using a channel. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is our channel. So for example, this one right here. So inside each team, there are channels. So like topic based or chat rooms. So we also have here the general channel. Okay, so this one is for announcements. If you would like to post an announcement, so you just have to simply click on this post in channel. We also have the custom channel. So for subjects like departments or projects, you just have to create a new one. And then you can also here post messages. You can tag people with at name and then react with emojis. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do here is the chat and calls section. So here you can start a private or group chat. So just simply click on the chat option right here and then click on this new message option at the top. That's right. And then here you just have to add your participants. You have to set the date and time and then share the invite link. So during the meeting, you can also turn on your video. Okay, so you just have to turn on your video. You can also share your screen. That's right. And then here, going back to the chat section, you can send your text files, emojis. So for example, this one right here, you can attach your files. You can also record a video clip or just schedule a meeting. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do here is the meeting section. Okay, now for the meetings, for example, so let's just go here and then here, just simply click on the schedule a meeting. That's right. Okay, now just have to click on the add title or go to the calendar directly. Then after that, you just have to add here the required attendees. Okay, so this one is optional. Okay, and then of course, during the meeting, you have to make sure that your video is turned on. So here, let's just create a meeting first. For example, interview. Okay, so after that, you just have to set up the date right here, the time. Okay, and then you also have here the description, so you can type here the details for this meeting. Okay, so after that, you just have to save this one. So who can bypass the lobby? So you can also change here the privacy. For example, everyone, people in your organization, or you can also add your guests, people in my org, or people who were invited. We also have here the only organizers and the co-organizer. Okay, so as you can see right here for the location, of course, it should be online meeting. So let's go to our calendar right here and find some of our scheduled meetings. Now, let's go to the Meet Now option. Okay, so right here, just have to turn on your video and then your audio. Okay, so just have to click on the Allow option and then just simply click on the Join Now. Okay, that's right. Just simply click on the Allow option. So here you can copy the meeting link, you can add participants, or you can also share this link via default email. Okay, so here during the meeting, you can turn on your video or your camera. Okay, and then you can also share your screen or specific window. So you just have to go here and then choose your window, or you can also use the raise hand. We also have here the reaction and then the chat section. Okay, and then you can also record this meeting. Okay, so you should enable the recording so that you can record this meeting. Okay, and then you can also create breakout rooms for group activities. Okay, so as you can see right here, we also have this views. If you want to change your view, for example, we have gallery, speaker, or together mode. Okay, so the next one that we are going to do here is to upload and share your documents. So to do that, just go here on your OneDrive option. That's right. Okay, and then here you just have to create or upload so that you can upload your files or documents, and then you can also edit the files together in real time using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. And then the files are stored in your SharePoint OneDrive automatically. So before I end this video, I would also want to give you some tips so you can mute when not speaking in meetings, or use mentions so the teammates do not miss messages. And then you can also pin important chats or channels, and then you just have to explore the apps and integration like Planner, Forms, or OneNote. So to check the apps, you just have to go to the app section. So the Microsoft Teams is beginner friendly because it puts chat, video calls, file sharing, and collaboration tools all in one place, making it easy to stay organized. It also works seamlessly with other Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so it can work together in real time without switching platforms. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.